They told us a lot of things this year. Ma is gonna be a hit. They told us, what are the movie releases here?
The Salman movie. Sikandar.
They told us Sikandar is gonna be a hit. They told us Nikita Roy is gonna be a hit. No, nobody said that. Did nobody say that? Nobody said that.
No one
but
said that.
nobody said Sayyara will be the biggest hit of the year. How does that happen? Malik, better than Malik. Well, anyone could predict that. But Sayyara?
Why would anybody would have predicted that it would be better than
Exactly.
Malik?
Because Rajkumar Rao films are not going to get as to see through. This is what it is.
हाँ, तो आहान पांडे की पिक्चर
Wait, that's what I'm saying. Nobody could have predicted anything. Nobody knows anything is what my conclusion is.
That is true.
Anyone who tries to predict anything is speaking out of their ass, just like we are. Welcome to Filmy Colada, guys. Another episode of this awesome show where I'm Antrish Thakkar, joined by
Snail Aneja.
and
Abbas Mohammed.
and today joining us also is
कीर्ति
Sinha Thakkar.
हर बार होता है
Because all of us are saying the full name. What are you, cooler than us? Yeah,
Of course.
yeah, that's true. Also, yes. Welcome, guys. Welcome to Filmy Colada. We're going to pop conversation.
Yes.
Today's a big episode. We're going to be talking
Yes.
about Dhurandhar teaser out. A lot of you asked us to comment about what we thought about that teaser trailer.
First
announcement.
look.
First look. What else are we talking about?
सैयारा ब्रो.
Sayyara. That's going to be the majority of the episode.
एक तो जब कोई सैयारा बोलता है मेरे माइंड में वो गाना बजता है
यारा
सैयारा
मेरा इश्क है मेरा इश्क. Oh no, that's a different song.
सभी गलत गाने गा रहे हैं।
सैयारा मैं सैयारा
It's a great song.
सैयारा तू
Yeah.
सैयारा
सैयारा तू
किसी के जहां में मिलेंगे हम यारा.
हाँ
Sayyara yara mahiya sayyara yara mahiya. Nice. It all works, man.
Yeah,
But we should address the actual reason why we're doing this episode, right?
Because Snehal made us do it.
Yeah,
Snehal-
Because last week
because you guys
Yeah.
fucked
we
up
used Sayyara as clickbait.
I didn't. अरे
So,
भाई.
basically what happened is we had apparently recorded some bit
Yeah.
about Sayyara
No,
looks like there's some
I'll
hype
tell
and
you
all.
what happened.
Huh.
While we were setting the equipment up, me and Snehal started having a conversation about Sayyara.
Correct.
Because I said something along the lines of, I'm not going to go watch Sayyara. And then Snehal was like, are you mad? It's like the biggest advance booking opening.
Yeah, it is actually.
In the,
It was,
yeah.
it's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we had that conversation, and
Yeah.
immediately after that we started recording.
Ah.
So in our minds we were like, yeah, we spoke about Sayyara on the episode.
तो इसलिए मैंने डाल दिया एपिसोड के
पर
टाइटल
कुछ तो
में.
एपिसोड में भी कुछ तो बात की थी ना
यार
आपने?
एक लाइन बोला था
बोली है.
हमने.
Oh, that's
एक
it?
लाइन बोला. हाँ,
That's it? And that's in the episode, sir?
Yeah, that's
That's
the
so
episode.
funny.
तो मैंने
That's
डाल
so
दिया
funny.
एंड पीपल वो लाइक सो हो सकता है एसईओ ने देख लिया होगा या लोगों ने देख लिया होगा बिकॉज देयर वाज सो मच वेव अराउंड सैयारा. ठीक है, तो उनको लगा कि हाइप अराउंड सैयारा में हमने एक्चुअली सैयारा की बात करी है क्योंकि तब तक रिलीज भी हो गई थी.
And
Oh
we,
my God.
we recorded 2 days before the
Yeah.
episode
Dude,
came
yeah.
out.
You, I
that-
think, though, Snail, you've hit on a genius strategy.
genius
Where
strategy
the
called
audience plans our next episode.
we caught Shah Rukh Khan cheating. Do you know about it? Shah Rukh Khan cheats. that's the tag.
भाई जीनियस हो तुम लोग.
Yeah, dude.
क्लिक
हाँ.
बेट एक्सप्लोर किया
Yeah,
तुमने.
dude, clickbait.
डिस्कवर
Yeah.
कोलंबस हो तुम लोग.
Yeah.
बहुत ही अनइंटेंशनली क्लिक बेट हो गया था वो.
Yeah.
एंड पीपल भाई 1.5 घंटे 1.25 घंटे का एपिसोड है किसी को जाट फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा उससे. ये सैयारा क्लिक बेट के लिए डाला यार.
Dude, can you imagine someone watched like a whole 1.5 hour
Bro,
episode?
there's actually
and
this-
the end, dude, Sayyara अभी तक नहीं आया है.
जिस कमेंट में मैंने रिप्लाई किया उसने लिटरली लिखा है कि भाई पूरे एपिसोड में तुम बोले ही नहीं.
Yeah, correct, dude.
एक जना था जिसने बहुत ही प्यार से पूछा पहले
हाँ,
तो
उसी
कि
जने को reply
क्या
किया
है
मैंने.
और तुमने रिप्लाई किया तो उसमें एक्सेप्ट भी कर
Accept
लिया बड़े
किया.
प्यार
It was like,
से.
okay, apologies accepted.
शाउट आउट टू दैट पर्सन. यू
Yeah.
गो
Oh, you are.
फास्ट.
उसी वजह से हम लोग ये एपिसोड कर रहे
Yeah,
हैं.
correct.
नहीं तो हमारा कुछ खास प्लान नहीं था सैयारा की
Yeah.
बात कर
I mean, in fact, we're
You were
recording
not
this.
going to beat the hype, guys. You were going to
Of
give
course,
in.
of course.
For sure.
Who knows, man? We do a lot of things which are not
So
on
are
hype.
you guys above
We
internet?
miss a lot of but we miss so many hype things. We think we are cooler than most things.
भाई that is stupid.
That's not true. That's not true. That's not true at all.
You stole the words out of my
No,
mouth.
absolutely, it is stupid. But we miss the hype on so many things that we don't talk
Oh,
about.
yeah. We-
like
we-
traitors.
Oh, God.
We
None of us
didn't miss
talked
the
about
hype
it.
on that one.
Houseful.
Houseful. We only you saw it.
only I saw it.
Yeah, but we dedicate a whole episode to it.
No, just 5 minutes क्योंकि और किसी ने देखी ही नहीं थी.
Oh, it seemed long enough. Like that. I guess. All right. So first thing we want to get to is
The Dhurandhar.
is it Ranveer's comeback, much awaited, in like comeback to the fore. Also, is this just the animalification of Bollywood?
I mean, the way it starts, I thought, oh, again, one more movie with a blood-stained face of a hero, and he seems to be violent. But
cigarettes,
what
smoke.
the trailer is cut to the beat of the music, the song that is used, right? Which is great. The song is amazing.
The song
And-
is like they are reusing the song.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
called Jogi by
Jogi.
Punjabi MC. Shout out. They were in my playlist for a while.
And there's
calling
a
them-
what the fuck? You can say that because you're a Punjabi.
The question is, sorry,
No,
the
it's
question is that doesn't it follow the same beats?
It actually does.
कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान फ्यूड एक सीक्रेट एजेंट जो
How did
पाकिस्तान
you get all of that from that teaser?
वो तो पठानी सूट पहन के दो लोग लड़ रहे थे और संजय दत्त के पीछे
This
वो
is-
वो
God.
पहला
Oh,
डायलॉग ही
लिखी हुई थी
है
तो
कि
मेरे को
पड़ोसी
लगा,
मुल्क
यार।
है और ये और वो
Oh,
है।
मैंने सुने ही नहीं डायलॉग
हाँ,
यार.
so-
और उसके बाद वाला डायलॉग
Okay.
है अंदरूने मुल्क में ईद मनाई
अरे really side by side है.
The thing is कि इसके लिए एक चीज और that I feel goes in the favor of the film, though it follows the classic stereotypical
Yeah.
beats, is the fact that it is based on true events या
Right.
inspired by true events. तो अभी बताया नहीं गया ऑफिशियली कि किसकी लाइफ से इंस्पायर होके फिल्म बनाई है. But then there are speculations. One of the strongest speculation out there is कि ये मेजर मोहित शर्मा करके एक थे, उनके लाइफ के इवेंट से इंस्पायर होके ये फिल्म बनी है, जिन्होंने अलायस कहते हैं
एलियस है
एलियस
Aliens बोलते हैं actually.
so he was an undercover agent in Pakistan and went by the name
Found that so funny. They call them
it was not your joke, bro. It was my reaction to your joke.
he went by the name Iqbal in Pakistan, and ऐसा कह रहे हैं like the strongest buzz is कि वो उनकी लाइफ से इंस्पायर्ड है.
अच्छा.
But the second strongest buzz is कि इन्होंने like the makers have taken a lot of different events
Right.
from different lives and they've put it into one.
Okay.
So I'll tell you one thing, okay? I think what people are hoping for, you know, like one thing going in favor for Dhurandhar is that people want to, and I believe are dying to see Ranveer do something awesome as
I
a movie.
swear,
Like a
dude.
good acting performance where he always gives his all to a role. Like he is always good in whatever role he does. So he gives his all. Okay. So I think if the movie is, The Animal wasn't a great movie, but because people want to see,
comment section पागल हो
people want to see Ranveer in something fucking bombastic,
Such a
right?
pick me.
Yeah, but because people want to see Ranveer in such a bombastic kind of performance, right? I think that's what will work in Ranveer's hero.
Ranveer.
But-
No, I'm saying Ranveer. People wanted to
For
see him for
Animal.
Animal.
For Animal.
So Ranveer के लिए I think
What
It
Animal
could
did
work.
for Ranveer, you are saying Dhurandhar will do
पता
for
है
Ranveer.
यही चीज
Possibly so.
बेबी जॉन के डायरेक्टर ने वरुण धवन के लिए बोली थी.
यार जो ट्राई तो वही कर रहे हैं ना यार.
But-
मालिक भी वही अटेम्प्ट तो वही है.
बट
Okay,
नहीं
bro.
चल रही
Why are you
ना.
getting so
देखो नहीं चल रही.
जी, रणवीर कमाएगा.
भाई
आप टेंशन मत लो.
you are making us record the same thing again. I have to put on more energy for the sake of this, for the viewers at home.
Maybe
And now they know something that they didn't have to.
guys, maybe the cocktails before the recording wasn't great.
We only had one. But the thing is, let me also speak. guys.
Yes.
Yes, guys. हम बहुत टाइम से बात कर रहे हैं बेचारी ने एक शब्द नहीं
बोल ही नहीं पा रही
क्योंकि पिक्चर में मर्द है ना सारे.
Is this Dhurandhar?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं मर्दों को पहले बोलना चाहिए बस वही चीज है. We were kidding guys, we were kidding.
Yeah.
But
Anyway, moving on to Sayara.
जो भी एक मर्द की कहानी है. क्योंकि सपना तो उसका ही पूरा हो रहा है दोस्तों.
Yes, and she's only supporting his sapna.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait, we'll come to Sayara.
She's
We'll come to
forgotten her
Sayara.
own dreams. Coming to Sayara in a bit.
please
Sorry, please
continue.
go ahead.
I'm going to drop my mic.
Yes.
Where on his head.
On someone's head for sure. बट ये है कि अब मैं बहुत पिस ऑफ हो गई हूँ.
धुरंधर पे कि हम पे?
धुरंधर पे भी कि बहुत ही मेल ओरिएंटेड टीजर है. मैं मानती हूँ कि रणवीर के कमबैक के लिए सब एक्साइटेड है, बट एक तो पहली बात, नो ऑफेंस टू एनीवन, बट जो इंडिया पाकिस्तान का होल थिंग है has been done too much on the media also. People have consumed too much content on news. ये चीज ऑलरेडी लोगों के टीवीज पे प्ले आउट हो चुकी
Oh,
है.
so it's already like a trigger point for people. Is that what you're
No,
saying?
people have consumed this content enough. in one way or the other, as
Sure.
news or as movies.
मतलब ये
न्यूज भी वो एक तरीके से कंटेंट ही बन गया था उस
Content
पे
भी तो-
हाँ
अब ये content
वो
बन
जो
गया है।
whatever is in the movie will not be the same as what
I
news
know,
channels
I know.
showed us.
So
But
the
it's
thing
the
is-
ये
sentiment.
कब्जा कर लिया वो कब्जा
So I'll tell you, right? See,
But
the
it's
thing
the,
is,
it's the sentiment. The thing is, it's the
Yeah.
sentiment. That sentiment has played out strong enough. And I know we are not talking about Sayyara right now, but the success of Sayyara is a big proof of that.
I
Ki
agree.
people have consumed this thing enough and they
Yes.
want a break.
Now they
So
want to
coming-
cry.
And
Okay,
this
if
is
it-
just going right back to it. And especially Aditya Dhar directing it. Aditya Dhar has directed many such movies which are into this zone, which is
हाँ,
Uri,
Uri,
then
Article
one with
370.
Yami Gautam. So, you know, it's very that genre. और फिर सारे आपने वही ले लिए हैं.
see, but then Mohit Suri, which was done Sayyara, has also done that genre a lot.
Sure,
So
might have.
people should stick to the genre they're good with. That's fine.
यार
other
मुझे ये लग रहा है बस द ओनली थिंग अगेन ये कहीं ये ना बहुत ही थिन लाइन है जिसके किसी भी तरफ गिर सकती है फिल्म
Exactly.
ठीक है
yeah.
हो सकता है कि क्योंकि इतना ओवरडोज हो गया है एक्शन का इतने टाइम से हम लगातार एक्शन देख रहे हैं जो सैयारा एक ब्रेथ ऑफ फ्रेश एयर की तरह आया था हो सकता है दैट्स वाई सैयारा वर्कड क्योंकि हम लोग को एक ब्रेक चाहिए था बट इसके धुरंधर के लिए बिकॉज इट्स अ ट्रू स्टोरी बिकॉज इट कम्स फ्रॉम लाइक अ सीजन डायरेक्टर जिसने पहले ही पिक्चरें बना रखी हैं बिकॉज इट्स रणवीर्स कम बैक बिकॉज इट्स लाइक अ स्पाई थिंग हो सकता है दैट वर्क्स ऑल्सो
The one reason if it will work, the one reason it will work for is Ranveer's comeback because of course I am also rooting for Ranveer to make a great comeback. That's why I was waiting for a Dawn 3 for him.
वो
That would
फिर
have
से
been-
डिले हो गई
हाँ,
apparently.
तो that-
So the news is कि Ranveer Singh wants to wait for Dhurandar's reception and then wants to take up more.
He has
project.
that much say in the
भाई
making of the
रणवीर
film.
सिंह है वो.
हाँ, but Farhan Akhtar is directing it, right? Farhan is also like a big deal.
So they both will have definitely
Yeah,
listen to each
they'll
other,
work
no?
it out.
But can
It's
Ranveer
fine,
be
dude.
like, can Ranveer tell Farhan कि रुक जा मेरी ये पिक्चर देखने
यार
Yeah,
तीन
bro.
तीन
Sure.
2-3 महीने रुक फरहान का पैसा भी लगा ना भाई थोड़ा सा.
हाँ.
Okay.
So
sure.
quickly to end this, coming just quickly addressing the India-Pakistan thing. I actually think that firstly the India-Pakistan thing has been going on for eons. Okay, and it's always very often it's a plus if it's done well. Okay.
Sure.
So yeah. So in that regard, I think if the movie just addresses the India-Pakistan thing in like a
Nuanced way.
nuanced नहीं होगा. Interesting way because this guy's a spy. A spy in that world is awesome, dude. The espionage.
That's
thing
what
is
I'm
fucking
saying.
great.
The premise is exciting enough.
That's what I'm saying.
But the thing is कि if they again play down on the कि
India, Pakistan, then
अगर
yeah,
हम
that
लोग
becomes tiring, for sure.
अगर हम लोग अपनी पे आ गए तो पाकिस्तान हो जाएगा IOP India occupy Pakistan.
talking
तो
about
वो
the
थोड़ा
guy-
मुश्किल हो
That
जाएगा.
is exactly what Aditya Dhar does.
Exactly, we're talking
That's
about the
his
guy who
zone.
gave us the chant, "How's the Josh?"
Yeah.
Bro, how's the Josh? Hi sir
How's
is
Josh
iconic.
is-
Bro,
yeah.
उसके
Yeah,
अंदर क्या
but-
problem है?
Problem नहीं है, but I'm saying this is the level
This
where
is his
Aditya Dhar
zone.
is. This is
Yeah.
his zone.
Yeah, I don't think. पता नहीं यार.
Also,
But
this plus the whole tirade of people making male-oriented movies since Pathan, Jawan, Sikandar, Animal. भाई मतलब relax, guys.
Can I give my take?
Sure, go ahead.
please, of course.
Sayara is a success because we have been watching films.
Abbas,
like
we saw your
Annabelle.
take on your YouTube channel
Yeah,
actually.
go check
We
out.
should- Let's start with our takes.
बट ना इन शॉर्ट मेरा वही पॉइंट है कि इस फिल्म में जो हीरो है वो इसमें भी वो अल्फा मेल है. वो मैगजीन के एडिटर को जाके पीट रहा है और लड़की को बोला चल मेरे लिए लिरिक्स लिख. बट उसके बाद
ऐसे नहीं बोल रहा यार.
भाई शुरू में वो स्टूडियो वाले सीन में ही इज लाइक व्हेन शी इज लाइक डोंट स्मोक इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी ये वो ही गेट्स प्रीटी अग्रेसिव
उस टाइम तो मान जाता है.
वो
उसके
उसी
बाद-
पे आ रहा हूँ
हाँ.
मैं. सो
उसने
आई एम
इतने
लाइक
प्यार से बोला F that.
Yeah,
उसने
so-
बोला भी नहीं पूरा
the-
word.
Go ahead.
the men in the audience
Yeah.
are watching this and I was also like, oh, is it going to be another alpha male being alpha? The idea is then later on in the film when इसकी बंदी खो जाती है तो ये उसके लिए गाने लिख रहा है, उससे जूते नहीं चटवा रहा है. लाइक दैट्स वेयर वी आर एट
My God.
कि एटलीस्ट वो जूते तो नहीं चटवा रहा है, वो
मतलब
गाने लिख रहा है उसके लिए.
The bar is जूता चटवाना.
Yeah, yes. and this guy
Wow,
is
dude.
like, I'm alpha and all of that, but hey, babe, when required, I'll use your poetry and I'll write you songs and I'll romance you and I'll impress your parents, babe.
Fair enough. Good.
पता है
Diet babe.
मैंने एक मीम देखा था उसमें लिखा हुआ था कहता भाई वो इतने साल से मिल नहीं रही है, तू इतना बड़ा सिंगर है, भाई स्टोरी डाल दे ना। गाने क्यों बना रहा है, उसका फोटो लेके स्टोरी डाल दे कि ये जहां भी दिखे मुझे बताना।
But yes, I'm very eager to know what you guys think, especially
No,
Snehal, because he. I'm sorry.
Before that, I've been trying to talk for the last 15 minutes. कोई बात एक sentence नहीं बोला मैंने, पता है? You moved on to a different topic before I could give my thoughts on Dhurandhar. Okay.
तुम अब्बास ने अपने चैनल पे भी बोला,
या भाई यहाँ पे
भी बोल रहा है,
यहाँ पे भी TRP ले रहा है भाई. Okay, now I've forgotten my point.
Do you want to talk about धुरंधर और सैयारा?
Dude, so I actually think, okay, this is something that I've noticed, especially in Sayara, but this is, I feel, a trend towards what people say is good acting. Okay? Firstly, yes, the actors in the film serviceably did their job rather
I
well.
think they were
okay?
good, yeah.
They were rather well, rather
Yeah.
good. But I think what has become the definition of good acting is less expressions. The more deadpan you can deliver a line, it's considered more good
That's why
acting.
Arjun
don't think
Rampal
so.
Okay,
National
I
Award.
absolutely think that in this movie for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, these both these actors, if Ahan is not shouting, he's fucking deadpan. If the girl is not fucking freaking the fuck out, she's fucking deadpan. Okay, and deadpan too. Like no, I don't think people are this deadpan. When I talk, you saw 10 expressions right now, dude.
But you are on the end of the spectrum almost. You have
That's
to
true. But
understand.
everyone in this film, in all four of us here, are like the most non-expressive of us, and even he's more expressive than. Not that they did bad acting; they did good acting. The movie was fine. It was fine. Like I actually
Was it?
teared up. Dude, I
Oh, you
teared
didn't
up.
like
I
it?
loved it.
You did not?
You did not like the movie?
You don't have a
I
heart?
loved it.
Bro, I thought if anybody among
Yeah,
the
I
three
thought
of us
Snail
would
will
like
be-
this movie, it would
Dude,
be
you
Snail.
made us watch it.
But स्नेल को पता नहीं क्या हो गया, मैंने
Snail?
मेट्रो का भी
हाँ,
रिव्यू
exactly.
देखा.
Yeah,
ऐसा
देखो,
ठीक है.
I
But
would think
romance
Dude, a
is
lot of
good.
people agreed with
Snail-
my initial take on Metro, by the way.
People agreed with me also.
ज्यादा सिंगल हो गए हो तुम लगता है.
नहीं वो तो मैं हो गया हूँ,
Yeah.
लेकिन दोस्तों,
हाँ.
मित्रों, देखो,
Dude, no, but none of us are saying it's like a fantastic or
No, no.
one in a
I want
I
to know.
liked
brilliant
it.
movie.
हाँ, I want to know why he didn't like it.
नहीं मतलब रोना आ गया क्या आप लोग को पिक्चर
तेरे को
थोड़ा-
नहीं
थोड़ा
आया
बहुत
क्या? मेरे को
end में.
dude, मेरे को काफी
भाई
आया.
जब वो एंड में अपनी बंदी
I-
के लिए गाने गाते गाते ढूंढ रहा था ना,
Dude, that
And the scene where her eyes pop up on the big screen and he just goes there and sits on his knees.
I cried then
I
also.
was the guy in the
Bro, I
theater
cried.
who's
Who
crying.
hurt you?
I cried in that one moment where she stabs him and he's like, "Fucking oh, dude, you stabbed me,
Bro,
bitch."
I am the
And then
problem.
I also cried when the father is, helping him with his wound and like, dude, मैं problem कर गया था, तू मेरी ऐसी problem मत
वो
करियो.
अलग तरह
I
का
cried
रोना
then
है.
also.
तुम्हारा
Then I
डैडी
cried.
इश्यूज का मैं क्या करूँ?
हाँ, correct.
And I cried when she said, I love you to him, but she said, I love you, Mahesh.
Mahesh,
because
bro,
she
again.
lost her memory.
मैं बताऊँ क्या हुआ था भाई हमारे हॉल में जब वो चिल्लाती है ना, महेश, पीछे से कोई चिल्लाया दल्ले,
फिर इसीलिए पसंद नहीं आया तो.
महेश दल्ले. बट ब्रो एक सेकंड, ओके यू गाइस
अब सेल will act all film critic.
अरे
and
नहीं,
be
what
like,
did you think of
बेकार
their
है,
acting?
movie.
फिल्म क्रिटिक एक्ट किया हूँ यार.
What did you
मैं
think
तो-
of their acting?
उसकी favorite
Let's
film
start with that.
Tarzan है.
Shut up.
Let's start with that. What do you think of their acting per se?
यार सी
Because that's what is getting the most. Oh, these guys are amazing debuts.
पता है
Great
again,
actors is what they're
I'll
getting.
tell you, गालियां मत देना मेरे को, ठीक है, बट द थिंग इज कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोगों को इतने खराब डेब्यूज की आदत हो गई है ना,
Correct.
Fair,
I
that could be
agree.
कि हम लोगों को एक डिसेंट परफॉर्मेंस अगर देखने को मिला है
Fair.
तो वीव गॉन क्रेजी.
हाँ, sure.
अगर आप
But no, I'm not crazy,
एक
for
सेकंड,
sure.
अगर अभी आप सोचो ये डेब्यू जो सैयारा का डेब्यू है, ये डेब्यू टेक इट 20 years बिफोर, ये डेब्यू आप रणबीर कपूर और दीपिका पादुकोण के डेब्यू के साथ अगर आप रिलीज करो, कोई बात भी नहीं करेगा इसके
But
बारे
ऐसी
में.
बात नहीं है.
Bro.
Dipika was not great in her first movie. Ranbir was not great
Yeah.
in his first
Bro,
movie.
रणबीर was fucking awesome in his first film.
in Savarya.
Bro, crazy.
Bro, by the way,
I agree, I agree.
Deepika acting wise was, I feel,
Horrible for
Horrible
like 10
in Om Shanti
films.
Om.
Till 10
Yeah.
films she
चलो
was not
ठीक है.
good.
What? So मेरा जो
it was the
major
treatment in the film, the direction, all that comes
yeah,
into play.
so that's
no?
what I'm saying. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम लोग ने like give me the last 5 debuts that you remember.
Dude,
No,
fucking
all debuts are horrible. I agree
Archie's
with you.
नहीं, yeah, Archie's ने पास
Exactly,
है.
that's what I'm
That's why,
saying, dude. Like the last, like I'll count it out to you.
Okay.
Junaid,
We're agreeing with you. Why are you
Yeah,
counting
yeah,
out?
I agree.
What I'm
But
saying
what
is,
my thing
फिर
is,
disagreement कहाँ है?
मैं expect ही नहीं कर रही उनसे great acting.
Yeah.
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ.
But
but
क्यों?
they're
नहीं.
definitely from
But
this
because
lot,
वो
they're
उनकी
definitely
first
better.
thing है, it's the first thing. They will not be great, but they have many great things that I would like to say.
Bro,
कि they look great on screen. They both are good-looking people. It's believable that it's young love. They both are young. They are falling in love. There was good chemistry, which is very important in a romance. It was all full romance.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
was all in on romance. There was no comedy. There
There
was
was no comedy.
side.
No, not a
gig
single laugh.
of,
I actually missed not laughing.
Bro, the first happy moment in the film is after 1 hour 40 minutes.
For sure.
Yeah, so
100%.
then-
The first happy song is when they go to Alibag.
Dude, the film, like any
correct.
other film, is extremely manipulative. It tugs at your heartstrings and how. But yeah, I think it hits some of those heartstrings
Bro, the
also.
thing is, मैं again don't take it कि मुझे फिल्म पसंद नहीं आई.
लग तो यही रहा है.
मुझे फिल्म सही लगी है, but the chatter around the
Can I-
film is so high,
yeah,
so
for
much
sure.
कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि उतनी worth नहीं थी, dude.
बट वो तो है, हमारी हालत खराब है, हमें मिल रही है घटिया मूवीज.
वो
क्या
hype
करेंगे?
इसलिए, हाँ,
क्या
इसीलिए
करेंगे?
कि,
It
like-
is the truth of the matter. There, all the films are bad. And if
I-
you are making a decent enough film, good for you, man. And people
So-
will appreciate it. There's no उसमें कोई गलती बात नहीं आए.
अरे अप्रिसिएशन में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि फिल्म खराब है. आई एम ऑल्सो अप्रिशिएटिव ऑफ द फिल्म. आई एम अप्रिशिएटिव ऑफ द सॉन्ग्स. आई एम अप्रिशिएटिव ऑफ द एक्टिंग दैट देव पुल्ड ऑफ. आई एम अप्रिशिएटिव ऑफ द स्पेक्टिकल दैट दे प्रोवाइडेड द ऑडियंस विद. दैट देयर इज अ रीजन व्हाई क्रिटिक्स के साथ साथ वर्ड ऑफ माउथ भी फैल रहा है, एंड द सॉन्ग्स आर ऑल्सो लाइक
Going viral.
number 1 in India, top 10 in the world. All of that is going super well for the film. All I am saying is that मुझे the hype that has been built around the film is too much for me.
Agreed.
That is too much for me.
Okay,
Secondly,
can I
yeah.
address you? Why do you think the hype has been created?
Because-
3 weeks from today, the hype was not so much.
It was not there. That's
So
what
why
I'm
do you
saying.
think- why do you think the hype
So
built up?
again, there is bhai the
It is
industry.
connecting, no, for
the-
sure, bro.
Huh?
It is connecting. That's definitely a part of it.
For a Ranveer, Amir, Shahrukh film, 2 years before the movie comes out, we are hyped. Okay, this film is going to
We were
This
for
film has
Sitare.
built a hype in the traditional way. The songs became popular. Then people got excited about a new debut. Then people went and watched the film. The initial batch of people actually ended up liking the movie.
And
then
it is just the movie. There's no buzz around the movie or some PR. There
हाँ,
must be
ठीक
PR.
है, ठीक है.
There is
There's
PR
no
for
PR.
sure.
कुछ लोगों को पैसे देके बुलाया भी
हाँ,
गया
for
होगा
sure,
थिएटर
for
में.
sure, but
there's no awkward media
there's no
interaction.
awkward TikTok love.
Yeah, exactly.
There's no.
There's no showing your
Yeah.
abs
Yeah.
for
Are you
debate practice.
appreciating the marketing around it, or are you appreciating
I'm
the
saying
I am
the
appreciating
marketing
I am
was old
appreciating the
school
marketing.
Hindi
That's
film,
what I'm-
Bollywood
मैं
marketing.
मान रहा हूँ वो सारी
हाँ,
बातें.
हाँ.
मैं वो कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे इतनी वर्थ द हाइप नहीं लगी.
Dude, for sure. That is.
बस
I
मैं
agree.
उतनी ही बात कर
I
रहा हूँ.
agree. But then that's to say, dude, again, as I started the episode, nobody can predict anything. You don't know why.
मैं प्रिडिक्शन की
You know-
बात नहीं कर
No,
रहा.
but at this level, who would have thought this movie would hit at this
भाई
level?
मैं
Right?
थॉट की बात नहीं कर रहा. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे वर्थ जो अभी भी जो आप लोग कह रहे थे आपको वहां पे रोना आया. मेरा फ्लैट आकाश जो है वो
Oh,
आखिरी
okay.
25 मिनट तक रोया. वो लास्ट 30 minutes of the film
He
रोया.
was one of the reels.
Yeah, he was probably one of the reels. I am just seeing that I didn't see that much hype around it.
Oh,
That's
you're
it.
saying.
So my-
So I can. Sorry.
Yeah, sure.
So the thing is,
ठीक
I
है, उसने
also.
धुरंधर में नहीं बोलने दिया आपको. आप सहारा में बोलना था उसको.
I also don't. See,
think
I
it's a
don't.
great movie.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But
also
I
think.
can at least understand why the hype is happening.
बस मुझे
That I
वो
can
नहीं
understand.
समझ में आ रहा. That's what I'm
That
saying.
I can
कि
understand.
मुझे ये नहीं समझ
Okay,
में आ रहा
why do you
कि
think?
इतना hype किस चीज का है.
Because firstly, there are multiple layers, right? Firstly, YRF. Secondly, then.
भाई, picture की बात करो.
This is
YRF
what-
This is the most bhat YRF film I've ever seen.
Fair
It is
enough.
very
That's what I'm
bad.
saying.
Absolutely. See, also before this, Kirti told me something that she read on Reddit or something, whatever, about.
So must be legit. Yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
about
of course.
about so Ahan Pandey used to be like an influencer,
Influencer,
type,
yeah.
right? But for the last like 5-6 years, he has not been on social media at all. To the point that it is said that Aditya Chopra told him, "Okay, dude, you need to create scarcity for your own appearances." Okay.
Aditya Chopra would know that.
Yeah, correct. Absolutely. If one person who does. Correct. Absolutely. So that's part of building hype. All of this is working towards the
Okay.
hype. Then what happens is, oh, then the song is good. Okay, then more hype. Oh, then if one or two people who really like the movie, are passionate about it, and speak about it online, that fucking goes a long way. So if people are walking out of the movie and like fucking crying their asses off, people are making reels where people are going crazy at the theater, all of that adds to the hype, and that's why it's like a domino effect of building more and more hype. Oh, अच्छा ये भी अच्छा बोल रहा है, अच्छा यहाँ पे भी ये चल रहा है, fuck Dussehra's here also, and that's why it's all over social media as a good movie.
But I have to make a very broader important point कि हम बहुत ही ओवरली क्रिटिकल हो गए लाइफ में, ये तुम मानोगे या नहीं?
Yeah.
आशिकी 2 भी आई थी, वो भी इक्वली ऐसी ही फिल्म थी. इट वाज नॉट सम जीनियस वर्क, बट तभी आदित्य और श्रद्धा इन्फ्लुएंसर्स नहीं थे, और तभी वो स्टार किड्स नहीं थे हमारे दिमाग में. हम एज एन ऑडियंस, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट अस एज किड्स, इवन लाइक elder people, they were not aware of actors, they were not aware of star kids, they were not so overly critical कि हम पहले थिएटर में जाके मूवी देखेंगे, फिर 2 घंटे बाहर आके उसके बारे में सोचेंगे कि अरे ये तो लूप होल था, अरे ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है. ये हम पहले नहीं करते थे, अब हम ये ज्यादा करते हैं लाइफ में.
Out of the 4 people ना, I am the least critical about film.
नहीं, I am just saying in
But
general.
I think your and Abbas' roles have
I am
Switched
the
in-
least
in-
critical
Can
about
I
film.
ask you a
Yeah.
question? What's the last movie that made you cry?
I haven't cried in a film. Yeah.
are you usually a crier in film?
No.
So then that's a new thing, man.
मैं मान रहा हूँ
You are
भाई,
dead
मैं तो
inside, we
कह
can't help
रहा
it.
हूँ कि भाई मैं आपको बताऊँ, मेरा भाई इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ फनी और लाइक क्या, बट वो माहौल फनी वाला नहीं है. अभी आर्ग्यूमेंट कर रहे हैं सारे, बट द थिंग इज कि मैं जब थिएटर, मैं अकेला देख रहा था फिल्म, अकेला गया था मैं फिल्म देखने, तो मैं ऐसे बैठा हूँ, मेरे यहाँ पे एक एल्डरली कपल बैठा है, मेरे यहाँ पे एक मेरी एज का कपल बैठा है, और मेरे सामने एक यंग कपल बैठा है.
वो सब रो रहे हैं, सिर्फ तू ही अकेला वहां पे ऐसे गुस्से में.
ब्रो जेन्युइनली,
Yeah, of course, makes sense.
भाई मेरे साथ वाले अंकल, जब वो स्पॉयलर्स हैं यार इस एपिसोड में, अभी तक तुमने नहीं देखे तो उन्होंने 150 करोड़ कमाए कैसे, ठीक है? तो भाई उसमें जब वो पता लगता है ना कि उसको अल्जाइमर्स है, और फिर वो चली जाती है कहीं पे, भाई मेरे साथ वाले अंकल आंटी का हाथ पकड़ के उनको
Bro, I
kiss
get
कर
that.
करके आई लव यू बोले जा रहे भाई.
Bro, I get that. You know
Dude,
what?
and
You know
then
what?
मेरे सामने वाली लड़की, जो सामने वाला कपल बैठा हुआ था, भाई मतलब वो भी उसके कंधे पे सर रख के रोए जा रही है.
If it incites that, it's successful.
Bro,
That's
I
it.
know that.
What theater was this, bro?
Bro,
See, also by the way, to add to that, when some of these moments are playing out, I was also imagining Kirti getting Alzheimer's, and then suddenly disappearing, and I'm like, oh, that's a happy moment.
That's what I thought you would think, baby.
bro, I think the reason why I didn't feel it is because I've been single for a very long time, I guess.
Bro, I'm single, but I
यार आप
thought
तो हार्ट ब्रेक मोमेंट में गए हो ना अभी, आपका तो अभी
It's
ओवर हुए
Let's
नहीं
see
हो.
the disclosure.
firstly you made me watch this film.
Yeah.
Bro,
okay?
I made
did-
everybody
one
watch
of the
it.
reason I didn't
and
want
again,
to go.
this film, I might not sound that convincing, but I really liked the film.
No,
I did like the
Did
film. It's
not.
just that
लग रहा है ऐसे? लग रहा है
मुझे बस
क्या कर रहा है?
उतना लाइक मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे देख के लोगों से बात करके कि मुझे वो हाइप नहीं समझ में आ रहा बस.
ठीक है, मैं
but
एक और सवाल
I
पूछूं?
have to say this, स्नेहिल, मैंने मेट्रो का भी रिव्यू देखा है, मुझे लगता है तुम्हारी लाइफ में रोमांस की
भाई,
कमी है,
मेट्रो तो
तुम्हें
खराब
बढ़ानी
थी भाई,
चाहिए, तुम्हें
क्या
बढ़ानी
बात
चाहिए
कर
अपने
रहे हो?
लाइफ में
मदद है।
रोमांस का क्वोशंट बढ़ाओ.
हाँ मतलब
I
I would
bless
want.
you.
यार, but
Okay,
देख,
question.
see, okay.
What's the last good Hindi film, romantic film that you saw that you were like, yeah, this was good?
Oh, DDLJ.
You like the Madhavan and Fatima Sheikh
Oh,
film?
bro,
that
I
you
really
spoke
liked
about?
it. I really liked it.
Like that better than सैयारा?
यार मैं
I
सैयारा
don't think you can make a one-to-one comparison.
है.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
sure,
you
but
can.
it was
Like I really liked it over Metro though, for sure.
agreed. It was cringe in many places also though.
Which one?
सैयारा हुआ,
नहीं,
सैयारा.
the Madhavan movie.
Oh, अच्छा.
आप जैसा कोई
आप जैसा
कोई कहाँ क्रिंज लगी तुम्हें?
बिल्कुल क्रिंज थी,
कहाँ?
बिल्कुल
Points
क्रिंज
बताओ ना.
थी,
Patriarchal moments.
बहुत जगह.
वो क्रिंज नहीं थे, वो लिटरली उसको पॉइंट आउट
वो
करके
reality थी.
हाँ.
But पता है, the thing is, in reality, if the same thing would happen जो उस मूवी में हुआ है, if someone is so patriarchal in their head कि भाई तुम sex chat कर रही हो, you are not marriage material, I would not marry you, nobody would say it as openly or rudely as he did in the movie. So
But
that's the
you-
thing. They
yeah,
showed
you
something.
can't call it cringe, yaar.
But
It's-
it was very unrealistic. It
How
couldn't
was it
happen.
unrealistic?
A guy would break up with a girl. It is highly plausible for that reason. But he would not put it like that as Madhavan put it in that movie.
No, I think people put it in a lot
Bro,
worse ways.
हाँ मतलब ये तो बहुत ही वो
People are assholes, man. You know.
But
Don't
he,
give me
in the movie, they show him like a professor, educated person. He's totally
but
enamored by
also,
her.
he
also those
literally-
kind of people are
He
also set in their
feels-
ways
no,
and all.
he feels
So
she's
it
out
could be
of his
anything.
league and he's so lucky to have her and he feels enamored by her. You would never break up with
Dude,
with the person you are so much in love with for this reason so rudely.
I
Like he did in the
completely
movie.
disagree, dude. He literally comes
यार,
around
मुझे-
to the end. अपने मूवी के एंड में he literally apologizes for the fact and he says कि the reason why I went as far ahead जितना मैंने बोला is because मेरा पूरा upbringing इतना patriarchal और इतना strong रहा है.
Sure, वो सही
तो-
था but
तो-
the way he said it वो होता ही नहीं कभी real life में.
I think the problem is that the two of you have lost sight as to why we watch films. It's to enjoy, have a good time, get entertained, not think about oh ये message ठीक है कि नहीं, ये
No,
popular
ऐसा
hype
कुछ
क्यों हो गई
नहीं
है?
है।
No, relax,
ऐसा
man.
कुछ
You know,
नहीं है।
chill.
I wanted to watch that film very happily because I love Madhavan. And I was, and I heard the songs, all the songs were great. It seemed like a great romantic film. But that film did not incite as many feelings as in me as Sayyara did. Sayyara देखते वक्त मुझे लगा कि अरे ये तो मतलब सिंगल होके अगर मैं देखती तो मैं काफी दुखी रहती जिंदगी में
also
5 दिन.
I'm so sorry. I just realized we've been talking about Saira for ages. We haven't talked about the plot. We haven't talked about the director and all, the acting and all we talked about. Nobody knows if someone has not seen the movie, what is the fucking plot of fucking Sayyara? dude?
basically
Then the plot अभी तो
हाँ बता रहा हूँ
Okay.
सो मोहित सूरी का डायरेक्टोरियल है. प्लॉट बेसिकली इतना सा है कि एक सिंगर है, उसको वो एक बैंड का पार्ट है, उसको अपना नाम उसको बहुत एम्बिशियस है, उसको अपना नाम बड़ा करना है. वो एक लड़की से मिलता है जो एक जर्नलिस्ट होती है. वो
who has been left at the altar.
who
Like,
has been
Yeah,
left
that's
at
the
the
beginning of
altar,
the
which
movie,
is
yeah.
which is the beginning of the film.
Yes.
And
And she fainted after being left at the altar. Sorry.
हाँ she fainted. And वो क्यों फेंट हो रही है बार बार उसकी स्टोरी आगे पता
बोल
लगेगी.
तो चुके हैं.
वो हाँ क्योंकि उसको अल्जाइमर्स होता है.
That
तो
also-
वो
But
उसके-
I didn't see the second twist coming of her, the guy coming back as the head of the
Yeah, that was-
record
Yeah, that's
company.
true.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and
that was.
that being the trigger for her getting
regress.
worse
Yeah,
in
yeah.
her
Alzheimer's,
disease
yeah.
was
Mahesh
a
is
good
Dalla.
call.
Mahesh Dalla, yes.
तो या बेसिकली उन दोनों का लाइक वो जिस प्रोडक्शन जिस पब्लिकेशन में जाके वो उसके एडिटर को पीट रहा होता है, वो क्यों पीट रहा होता है वो आप फिल्म में देखो.
But wait, there's one part. Okay, by the way, there's one part in the movie where her senior asks, "But what will we get in return?" She's like, "A full-length podcast." I was like, "Wow, they've reached there, dude."
कुछ
Yeah.
कुछ जगहों पे मुझे लगा कि ये दिस इज अ वेरी गुड पोर्ट्रेयल ऑफ द यूट्यूब क्रिएटर इकोनॉमी
Yeah.
कि उसको गाने फेमस करने के लिए भी अपने गाने बेचने पड़ रहे हैं दूसरे लोगों को.
Yeah, yeah.
And yeah, so and in towards the end, again spoiler alert, to find out where the heroine has disappeared,
He has to sing the
to
last
make a
song.
song viral. Is
Yeah,
like ये
correct.
viral
Yeah,
जाएगा तो पता चलेगा.
बट वो वायरल क्यों जाता है क्योंकि वो दिल से निकला
Of
हुआ.
course.
या सो बेसिकली अब भाई अब हाँ बोलो आप बोलो.
Sorry, bro.
कोई नहीं बोलो.
There is
प्लॉट
also-
क्या
Yeah,
फर्क पड़ता है.
हो तो गया. समझ तो गया,
हाँ,
लोग, समझ
continue.
गया.
यही है plot.
यही है plot.
हाँ.
Okay. There's one more part which I must say some of the dialogues were very natural, like how people talk, especially the ones Aneet is the actress.
Aneet
Aneet
Panda.
Panda,
Aneet
yeah,
Panda.
Panda.
The way she was delivering them, some of them looked very natural. Okay. There is one part where she says a speech about why a song hits you. It's very good.
Very good.
Very
is.
very good.
It
Yeah,
is.
it is very good.
Very well written. What do you think?
Very good.
Did you agree with that?
What?
नहीं मैं बताती हूँ.
Sorry, I just got distracted, bro.
शुरू में तो क्रिंज थी.
I'm like, I didn't hear a word from Abbas. I thought Abbas will agree with this.
शुरू में तो क्रिंज थी मूवी. मैं
नहीं
सच
यार,
बताऊँ
cringe
तो
मेरा
मैं
पूरा-
बताऊँ कहाँ तक मैं बिल्कुल ही नॉन बिलीवर थी मूवी में जब वो फालतू के एंग्स दिखा रहा है कि अरे उसको क्रेडिट दे दिया पीटूंगा.
Virat Kohli, 4th January 2004. What are
So
the
what-
Guys, but
till that
this
speech, till her speech, I was like, this is going to be a shit speech.
हाँ.
When she started
Going off
having
mental
a
breakdown.
I was like, Okay, let's get ready
And
for
then
the
she pulled
cringe.
through.
You
And then she
compare
pulled
you
through.
compare this
Agree.
with that terrible Netflix movie that came out, the Dharma
Nadanya.
movie. Nadanya. That is
Exactly,
cringe.
that is
That is
cringe.
actually
The thing is, my whole thing is that Sayara is not cringe. It's earnest. It commits
It
to
is, it
commits to its Hindi film tropes.
None of it seems unnatural. None of it seems कि ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है भाई.
हाँ,
ऐसा
yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
लगा मुझे कहीं पे भी. मुझे लगा हो सकता है, ये बिल्कुल हो सकता है, ऐसा बोल सकता है इंसान.
But hey,
So-
is this movie better than Tarzan the Wonder Car?
Irrelevant question.
mean,
Nothing is
come
better
on,
than Tarzan the
nothing-
Wonder Car.
Nothing is better than Tarzan the Wonder
But
There
मेरे
seems
को
to
वही अच्छा लगा यार.
masterpieces, yeah.
मेरे को वही अच्छा लगा कि ये पिक्चर तुमको मैनिपुलेट कर रही है, but it's committing to its manipulation.
Yeah,
It-
Sure,
The
manipulate
the
me
last
all
song,
you
the
want.
Sayara title song, where it's essentially the climax of the movie, right? The where it comes, the way it's shot.
Dude, also so the song could have backfired because in a sense, if it wasn't a good song,
Correct, yeah.
because they've been building up the entire movie ke
Yeah,
songs come from the
yeah.
heart, this is why song hits you. She writes the final song and he's like, I have to make this song go
Yeah,
viral. This song will touch everyone.
It could have been
So it-
Sinbad the Sailor from
That's a great song, bro. That's a great song.
as
have made
compared
me-
to
A
the rest
national
of the
award winning song, dude. What are you talking about?
सोचो पूरे बिल्डअप के बाद एंड में वो माइक
Sinbad the
सुना
Sailor.
है नीला क्यों पानी की
Yes, that would have been a better choice than
Tum
Sinbad the
ho
Sailor, but yeah.
to could also be a great
ऐसा
song.
गाना ही अल्जाइमर वाले लगता है.
But a question. Now we're talking about the absolute end of the movie.
Yeah.
जब वो जाता है आश्रम में, हिमाचल उसको मिल जाती है, and obviously we are all expecting that she would have forgotten the guy. I think the film would have been even more impactful if they'd ended it there.
Oh, bro.
No.
I wanted some closure, bro. I was so heartbroken the entire movie, heart-stricken, you know.
एक पोस्ट देख रहा था, उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि भाई अगर इस जनरेशन को तेरे नाम वाली एंडिंग मिल जाए तो ये जनरेशन रोए ना, मर ही जाए
मर
थिएटर
ही
में भाई.
जाए भाई.
बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक सो. पता है द फिल्म जो जैसा लाइक राइटली अंतरिक राइटली सेट की जो स्ट्रिंग्स पुल करने हैं ना फिल्म को, वो खींच के पुल करती है, ठीक है.
Yeah.
और अगर एंड में वो उनको तोड़ ही देती ना तो भाई वो कोलैप्स कर जाता. पता है, आई थिंक द फिल्म नीडेड अ हैप्पी एंडिंग बिकॉज आफ्टर
For sure, 100%.
2 hour
Agree.
30 minutes ऑफ मेलंकोली,
हाँ,
ठीक है,
I get it.
आपको
Yeah,
एक
yeah.
हैप्पी एंड आई थिंक द हैप्पी मोमेंट टुवर्ड्स द एंड व्हेन शी शाउट्स, ये वो हो गया था मामा, ठीक है, ये वो वाला सीन हो गया था व्हेन शी फाइनली शाउट्स आई लव यू महेश, नहीं
कृष कपूर
कृष
नाम.
कपूर, ठीक है, व्हेन शी
I think you saw a different movie.
when she finally
Yeah, this-
shouts I love you Krish, I think a lot of people cried at that moment.
Yeah,
कि
yeah, for
finally
sure.
वो मान गई भाई.
You know, did
Also
anyone...
why?
Yeah.
Because Mohit Suri की speciality is sad ending.
Yeah,
exactly.
आवारा
That's why I
पर
was
आशिकी
expecting,
2
yeah.
तो naturally expected था कि ये भी sad
Sad
ending
ending ही होगी,
But
हाँ.
क्योंकि वो भी twist हो गया ना, तो I feel that was good call on his part कि
Yes.
बड़ी बढ़िया किया तुमने उसको happy ending देके.
I must ask though, did any of you like me expect that they'll go the extra melodramatic way and cure her of her Alzheimer's?
No.
Wasn't she cured by the end?
No,
essentially?
No,
Alzheimer's
it's
has
better.
no cure.
Yeah, they were like
Yeah.
dealing
Yeah,
with her.
but
But
वो
it's a
end में
Bollywood magical kind of
वो end में
moment.
साड़ी बांधना भी भूल जाती है भाई. वो वाला सीन नहीं है जब वो
नहीं, उसको आता ही ना.
हाँ वो भी हो सकता है, वो भी हो सकता है.
मुझे
लोग
I
can't forget things like
भाई मेरा फ्लैटमेट उस पे रोया था कि वो उसको साड़ी बांधने में हेल्प कर रहा है.
It is an iconic moment by the way on Instagram and all. वो
Yeah.
moment को सब
Cute तो
वही
था.
मेरे को
Cute
नहीं
तो था.
समझ में आ रहा कि इसके अंदर क्या आइकॉनिक है.
कि वो कितना क्यूट बात है यार.
Man,
तुम
if you're
romance-
single and you're watching this and you're a girl, please date our friend Snehil.
please,
He's
yeah.
completely lost the
Some
romance in his
Snail's
life.
life यार.
यार मतलब अगेन प्लीज डोंट थिंक कि मुझे पिक्चर नहीं समझ पसंद नहीं
Either
है.
नहीं,
either
तेरे
you
को
need
romance
to
पसंद
हाँ,
नहीं है.
either you need to fall in love or get your heart broken. One of the two things need to
भाई
happen
दिल
with
तो
you.
बहुत टूटा है भाई का.
Oh,
तो
okay.
तूने शील्ड बना लिया
So,
उससे
you know-
नहीं कुछ नहीं अफेक्ट करेगा मुझे.
So, okay, I
आंसू
think
पत्थर बन चुके हैं.
this could be like a tamasha kind of situation where we have here, where some people fucking love tamasha. Okay, like I think Kirti like is a big fan.
Tamasha,
I
it's
hate
my
it.
all-time favorite.
Exactly.
Yeah, I was
hate
about
it.
to say I think Sayara is better than Tamasha.
No fucking way. Please come
Okay,
on.
okay. See, that's the thing.
Masterpieces.
I think
guys.
for tamasha, you also have to be going through a certain thing in life, either like a lot of corporate pressure or work pressure or some kind of heartbreak or whatever.
मामा
to relate to
Bro,
that. I think that could be.
corporate pressure or heartbreak, like you just described 90% of the entire population
Yeah,
of the
Correct.
world.
But see, when I saw it at the time, I was just in college. Okay.
Sure.
So I
you
didn't have that
didn't
kind
face
of.
any of
Yeah,
those.
I wasn't going through either of those things. And so I didn't relate to the movie at all. To the point now, today, even if I watch it, I don't find anything special.
Because you bypassed that whole
Yeah, I think.
wow, what a life, bro. पहली बार देखी तो कॉलेज में था, अब तो
But
मेरे पास कोई
now
प्रॉब्लम है ही
now
नहीं.
मैंने already
जब
देखा
मैं
है यार.
देखता हूँ तो
You can't re-establish
Mercedes
movies that
खड़ी है
easily.
नीचे.
You can't re-establish a movie's impact on you again, you know. So I think that's what Sayyara. Snail did not seem like it at all.
अरे ब्रो आई
No,
लाइक
he's
मैं
saying he
मुंह
liked it.
पे
He-
बोल
he
रहा
didn't
हूँ
like it
I
as
think
much
Snail
as-
thinks this is one of the worst movies of the year.
but don't
So
I
हमारा-
I
but
actually
I'm
I
joking.
actually feel that this is one of the best movies of the year.
Yeah, sadly.
So why isn't your body language conveying that?
Yeah.
यार मैं
I think
पता
it's
है,
at 12 o'clock at
I-
night.
See, I'll tell you क्या हुआ है ना कि जिस point पे मैंने बोला कि that I didn't understand the hype, like the over hype that people have built around it on
मेरा
Instagram.
उल्टा है, the
I
film-
think आप लोग ना उस point पे इतना trigger हो गए कि वो point 15 मिनट खींच गया.
मेरे लिए उल्टा है, like film didn't completely work for me, but I get why it's doing so well.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Same thing.
In fact, I would say कि
कम कर रहे हैं बहन.
Definitely.
कपड़े फाड़ देने चाहिए.
नहीं डेफिनेटली उन लोगों ने पेड पीआर किया है विद द इंस्टाग्राम शिट दैट इज गोइंग ऑन. आई वुड से वो नहीं करना चाहिए था अगर उन्होंने ये किया है. मे बी उन्होंने प्रीएम्प्टिवली किया कि शायद ना चले तो पहले पैसे दे देते
So
लोगों
what I've heard
को.
is
अगर वो ना करते तो वो बेटर था क्योंकि अब आधे लोग ये सोच रहे हैं कि मूवी तो शिट है बट उन लोगों ने पैसे दे के
No, so
करवाया
from the
है.
insides, what I've heard is कि they have not put a single rupee in PR.
I don't believe that.
So I'll tell you what has happened is now the ripple effect is
No
happening.
PR,
I
only
agree,
PR.
yeah.
So
That's the
now
movie.
the
Yes.
ripple effect is
Yeah.
happening. क्या हुआ ना? They've apparently not put a single rupee in the PR and marketing of the film before the release, right? And then once the film released, the reception that it got, the thing is
They
कि उस
amplified that.
reception no they didn't even amplify that. What happened
Just
was
got amplified because
Insta-
algorithm.
No, Instagram के जो creators थे, when they saw that people are coming out crying,
Easy 15 minutes of fame.
easy 15 minutes of
Oh,
fame.
yeah, we just saw that. Again,
Yeah,
correct,
so
correct.
everybody started creating those reels on by themselves.
Reacting
Yeah.
or
तो
whatever. Yeah.
वो natural hype मिल गया फिल्म को,
Yeah, makes sense.
जिसका surround sound इतना बन
Which
गया.
is genius.
sense again.
which
Yeah,
is
dude.
which worked
is-
in their way without even working for
Exactly.
Dude, exactly.
And-
So multiple things have to be in effect,
Yeah.
right? Like luck is also part of it.
Exactly, and it came to a point where the Kartik Aaryan Srileela's supposed release in like scheduled release in 2025, which was the actual Ashiki 3,
yeah.
has been pushed to 2026.
Wise of them because
They've pushed Son of Sardar to the
A week later.
a week later.
Yeah.
वो तो
Because they were
flop ही होने वाले हैं,
we
कुछ भी कर
don't-
लो, वो flop ही
They
होने
were like,
वाले
we
हैं।
don't want to fight Sayyara's hype
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
So Sayyara के इतने and now people are saying कि Sayyara इतनी बड़ी hit हो गई है कि war hit नहीं हो पाएगी.
Yeah.
Because people were like कि वो जो क्योंकि war से
Possible,
लोगों को
yeah,
वैसे ही
yeah,
उम्मीदें कम थी, and with Sayyara being
I mean, War 2, right? Yeah.
War 2, तो सयारा का इतना हाइप क्रिएट हुआ उससे पीपल आर सेइंग अगेन नन ऑफ दिस इज मी कोटेड एंड क्लेमिंग लाइक इट्स ऑल न्यूज रूमर्स etc what I've been reading where people are saying कि they actually had to shift the release of War 2's trailer so that they like it does not get affected by Sanyara because दोनों ही IRF है.
Dude, War 2 is the one with NTR, no?
Yeah.
NTR and Hrithik, right?
Hrithik, yes.
So I think they should just like repurpose the movie into a romantic movie between these two lovers.
NTR and
NTR
Hrithik.
and Hrithik. And you know, like they're really at each other's throats. I think that's what will make it go.
Sayyawar.
Sayara 2. No?
Sayyawar.
Sanya
Sayya
War 2.
War.
Sanya
Oh my
War 2.
God. That's awesome, dude.
Sanya War 2.
Well done,
Also,
boss.
by the way, जिस दिन ये एपिसोड रिलीज होगा उससे एक दिन पहले ट्रेलर आ गया होगा War 2 का.
War 2 का अच्छा.
Oh, okay.
Like I think we'll
Wow, they
release
took
this.
your idea, Antariksh.
Yeah, no, no,
I think we'll
Sayya-
release
Sayya War 2.
this episode on Saturday.
No, but you know what they might do, and many trailers to come maybe in the near future. They might play up the romantic elements in the movie to show के oh देखो actually
Oh,
ये-
romance भी है.
actually
You know
ये
what
romance
has
भी
happened?
है.
अभी धड़क 2 आने वाली है. 1st August. Also, Son of Sardar 2 and धड़क 2 are clashing.
Okay.
ठीक है. धड़क 2 starring Siddhant Chaturvedi and Tripti Dimri.
Shot in KJ Somaya, by the way. Alumni.
Are we supposed to?
Bro, so like, again,
इस हिसाब से Xavier's को तो मुझे हर पिक्चर में करना पड़ेगा.
dude, Dhadak 2, then I don't think we do that well.
So
Because of
I'll
this-
tell you.
They do well actually.
हाँ,
I
so
believe.
I'll tell you what they are doing now. They are saying another Bollywood romance. hitting your screens.
Right.
And
ठीक है,
another
building
set
up
of
the-
reels to
हाँ,
make on Insta to gain
Basically.
audience.
So now the Dhadak 2 marketing is being played over
Sayyara.
Yeah, they are like कि इसके माइलेज को कैश इन करके अपन धड़क 2 निकाल
कब आ रही
देते
है
हैं
धड़क 2?
1 अगस्त को भाई.
अभी अगले हफ्ते मतलब
जिस दिन हम लोग ये एपिसोड, हाँ, इस एपिसोड रिलीज होने के 6 दिन बाद.
crazy
But special mention मैं करना चाहूंगी to the music album.
dude
Sayyara
yeah,
music
impactful
album.
very well used in the movie
Yeah, I agree.
I'm busy, I'm
all the songs are great. इन लड़कों को कुछ नहीं पता, इनको सिर्फ टाइटल सॉन्ग पता है. बाय द वे
सैयारा तेरा इश्क है
ये गलत है बिल्कुल ही.
सैयारा मैं
ये भी
सैयारा.
गलत है.
But गाना
Do
सही
you
है.
want to try?
सैयारा तू है.
Yeah, okay.
सैयारा
दो वर्ड सही थे.
कह दो ना
कह दो ना,
you are my सैयारा ding 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 ding
But all the songs are amazing. I am obsessed. I am literally listening to them on loop. तो
धुन अच्छा
स्पेशल
था.
क्रेडिट. धुन
धुन
बहुत
अच्छा
अच्छा
था.
है.
धुन बहुत अच्छा लगा
धुन
था
बहुत
मुझे.
अच्छा है. बर्बाद बहुत अच्छा है. सैयारा टाइटल सॉन्ग बहुत अच्छा है. और जुबिन नौटियाल, you are the best.
we seen him live by the way it was awesome
Yeah, he's
Oh,
so
nice,
good.
nice.
He's amazing.
yeah.
Sanyara, definitely, if you've not watched it in the theaters, you should definitely go and watch it. There is not a single % of doubt in my mind or in any of their minds कि miss करने वाली फिल्म नहीं है.
नहीं 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 ऐसा भी नहीं है भाई again it's not a fantastic film
It's not, but I think the theater going experience.
Yeah, it will be nice.
Sure.
You will
Yeah,
be
sure.
emotional.
Sure.
When have
Will
you
be
been
better.
emotional?
that's true this
Last-
very very emotional
No
for
doubt
sure
about it.
सितारे
Yeah.
जमीन पर was supposed to be the movie where you will be emotional. Literally, मैं और अंतरिक्ष सितारे जमीन पर देख रहे थे and we were just talking to ourselves कि ये movie रुलाने वाली है, ये movie रुलाने वाली है.
जरा सा
And
bro,
I-
आप क्यों नहीं रह रहे हो ना?
I'll
And I
tell you
kept
by the way.
waiting and I
I'll
couldn't
tell you by
cry.
the way. There, like I know people who left Sanyara in the interval.
There are people.
again I don't doubt it
But
dude.
I think
That's
that's
what.
also.
तो फिर आप लोग मेरे पे क्यों चिल्ला रहे थे जब मैं कह रहा था कि भाई इतनी
but
भी
again
कोई
I
amazing
understand
नहीं है.
the hype
नहीं, मुझे लगता है ये भी फैड है. उसको क्रिंज बुला के
हाँ,
डिसमिस करना
fair.
इज आल्सो एन इंस्टाग्राम फैड कि
भाई,
ओ सब ये
वो
बात
मेरी-
कर रहे हैं तो मैं
वो-
देखने गई बट बेकार मूवी
यार
है.
उसने
That's also
मेरी
fad.
लिटरली दोस्त ने उसने इंस्टाग्राम पे कहीं नहीं डाला उसने मैं उससे बस पूछने गया, मैंने पूछा कैसी लगी तो शी जस्ट टोल्ड मी इन माय डीएम्स कि ओ
Then
मुझे
sure.
पसंद नहीं है यार, मैं निकल गई.
Also, there may be
fair, very
people
few.
who
And it's
don't
fine
love romantic
because
movies.
again it's not
okay.
a 100 on 100 film.
For sure. But so was ये मैं बोलूँगी this is an Ashiki 2 template. This is a Mohit Suri template.
Obviously,
And
yeah.
it works for like a lot of people. Then
Again, I agree.
It doesn't
I
work
agree.
for.
Like 75% people would go and come out crying for sure.
Because Ashiki 2 में आज भी मैं I have revisited Ashiki 2. It's not a great film, but whenever I watch it, I am a little bit broken. I'm like, why did he have to, spoiler alert, die?
but that's because the movie they were inspired they were copying
Yeah,
or
sure.
they were
Yeah,
remaking.
again, oh, by the way, there are rumors
Star
that
is Born
this
was
movie
made
is
after
also-
Ashiki 2.
no Star is Born has been remade for
But
years
the Bradley Cooper one was made later.
but that's not
but
saying a Star
story
is
तो
Born
exist
is-
करती
yeah.
है ना यार.
Fine, वो तो
अब मैं जूलियस सीजर आज बनाऊंगा इसका मतलब थोड़ी 2015 में.
correct apparently Sayyara is also a remake
Yeah,
of a
a
Korean
moment to
yeah.
remember
Remember,
शायद.
yeah.
Yeah.
Korean movie, yeah. But it works for me, guys. I love romance and I love the movie. And both of them are very fresh looking faces, minus the work done on their faces.
That is true,
There is
actually.
no
Like,
work
that
done
is-
on their
that is
faces.
true.
They look organic, they talk organic. And I know ये low benchmark है, but मेरा benchmark low ही हो गया movies
it could
के लिए.
be work done but work done well
But एक
Doesn't
चीज
seem like-
जो like which I really want to compliment in the film about the two leads that we have.
oh जाग गया तू
We often मैं शुरू से कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे पिक्चर
नहीं,
इतनी
continue,
खराब
just continue bro continue
ठीक है. So
ये वो है, आप किसकी तरफ है? मैं तो आप ही की तरफ हूँ.
but anyway, we like whenever there's like a nepo debut or like a star kid debut या कोई भी debut जो film family से या privileged background से आता है, what we always say is कि भाई तुम्हारे पास इतना करोड़ों रुपया है, तुम्हें अगर ठीक है, I don't judge people on the fact कि वो तुम्हें nepotism exists, मेरा बाप मेरे करियर में ही पैसा लगाएगा, किसी और के करियर में पैसा नहीं लगाएगा. I understand that. ठीक है. The good part about and the reason why हम लोग के दिल टूटते हैं that is कि जब तुम्हारे पास इतने resources हैं, इतना पैसा है, तुम अपने क्राफ्ट पे क्यों नहीं लगा रहे. The good part about the leads here was that despite coming from like a privileged background, आहान पांडे actually दिखता है कि उसने क्राफ्ट में पैसा डाला है.
Yeah,
उसने क्राफ्ट में मेहनत करी है, उसने he has, जैसा आपने कहा कि वो इन्फ्लुएंसर था, he took a break, must have worked upon himself. I'm sure diction पे बहुत काम किया होगा, आगे भी बहुत काम करना है, अभी भी diction 100% clear नहीं
Yeah,
है.
yeah, fair,
Obviously
yeah,
there are
I kept thinking these two understood the assignment. They
Yeah.
knew the movie that they
exactly.
are in.
So I
Yeah.
think where it's due is the fact that इन लोग ने मेहनत करी उस चीज को लेके and they put up a good performance.
करेक्ट, अनलाइक आर्ची जिसके बारे में बोला गया कि वो 2 साल तक वर्कशॉप कर रहे थे, और फिर मैंने जो देखा वो 1
वो
घंटे का भी
मुझसे
वर्कशॉप
देखा
नहीं
नहीं
था
गया।
वो। उससे ज्यादा अच्छी एक्टिंग मैं कर लेती
So I have to mention 2 things, okay, about Sayara. We are ending the episode, right?
Yeah.
I'll mention 2 things. One is from the amazing Anupama Chopra. She did reviewed the movie also, and she had a very good.
She's still doing it? Oh, Hollywood Reporter.
Wow,
Sorry.
Snehal,
Oh, fuck.
okay.
Sorry, I thought Film Companion so much.
Yeah.
Guys, we
What a
don't consider
burn.
competition.
What a burn, bro.
Sorry.
She's still doing it.
So Anupama had a very good line in her review of Sayara where she said ke Ahan Pandey plays 2 parts of his character very well, which is the loud, angry, oh nothing is good, everything sucks character, and then the good boyfriend where he's suddenly now a green flag, where he's waking up in the morning, making a breakfast because she needs it because of her meds or whatever. And then a throwaway line she said is, and also he cries beautifully. And I was like, that is a very apt line. They both cry
Yeah.
very well.
भाई करना ही मतलब as in
Yeah,
I think
that's half of the movie.
हाँ,
dude.
that, हाँ, भाई
More than half
90% of the
correct,
film.
correct. Every movie there's a single tear, double tear,
वो
single tear
खुश
again.
है ही नहीं किसी सीन में.
Second
Almost
half
at
is
the
heavier
tip
than
of
the
the
first
eye.
half.
या
After
सेकंड
the
हाफ में तो वो
post-Alzheimer's is the
बीमारी पता
heavier.
चल जाती है ना. पता है मेरे हॉल में 2-3 जगह पे दी ऑडियंस वेंट ठीक है. एक तो वो था जब वो चाकू मार देती है उसको.
Yeah.
फिर तो
ये पहले लगता है कि पेट वेट में मारा ना भाई.
हार्टब्रेकिंग
then
सा था वो
everybody was like,
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है. एक तो वो था आई लव यू महेश पे everybody like अरे ठीक है
अरे एक काट दिया बेचारे.
ठीक है
कट गया.
ठीक है. एंड देन एंड में जब वो फाइनली आई लव यू क्रिश चिल्लाती है देन पीपल स्टार्टेड क्लैपिंग, fully clapping, and
यार कब हुआ है लास्ट?
the best
Snehal is, what the fuck is wrong? This is not that good, guys.
the
Not
best
worth the hype.
The uncle auntie are clapping like stop it guys, behave yourselves. It's a pure and out in public, okay? ये पीडीए जाके घर पे कर रहा है.
इन बच्चों को तो समझ में आता है, आप भी.
भाई अंकल
आपसे
से
भी-
पूछना था मेरे को ये बात ही. अंकल अरे अंकल
हाँ भाई है उनका
But
रोमांस.
Those two went home and had good sex.
but hands down the best moment was Mahesh Talle.
Funny. The other thing I want to talk about is KRK's review.
Oh,
Out of
course.
movies. Okay. KRK does, I think, the smartest thing, which I think we have also done by not even trying to, where KRK plays both sides of the coin. Okay. Literally, in the starting of the interview, he says, "Ke, oh, direction अच्छा खासा है." Okay. Listen.
Good things.
Yeah. So he says that Mohit Suri ने direction वो समझते अपनी movie को. Okay. Like he controls your heartstrings जैसे कुछ बोलता है. He says. Then he says the woman Aneet Panda, right? Aneet Padda. Okay. Very उसने अपना रोल बेखूबी निभाया है whatever.
She's actually done a very good job.
Very good. And then later on, literally a minute later, he says, पर ये लड़की को किसने लिया? क्यों लिया? ये इस लड़की में कोई भी वो एक एक्टर की गुण नहीं है कि एक्टर बन जाए. वो
है ना दोनों साइड.
दोनों साइड तो का अलग लेवल पे खेल रहा है यार के भाई.
KR के इतना छोटा स्टार नहीं कि वो पहले ही हफ्ते में बाहर हो जाए, इसलिए वो 3 दिन में बाहर हो गया.
But what do you think of Ahan's and Aneet's future going forward?
Rohan is going to be huge.
Huge, yes.
Yeah.
I agree.
You think so?
Yeah.
So the next movie is also going to be a hit?
Yeah, because I think the hype around
Hype,
that
yeah.
film again would be so much. Building up to it would be so much.
For him, the next ideal movie would be a rom-com. Not just a rom, but a rom-com, not an action.
Yeah.
Dude, but also then what happens is rom-com may requires more acting.
But he has
Because
the
comedy.
personality,
The
from
personality-
whatever I've seen of him. He's
I'm
not
not
just
sure.
the one-tone actor. उसको है dancing skills हैं. He is charming. He's good looking. वो थोड़ा
I think
उसमें
अगली पिक्चर वो
playfulness
एक्शन करेगा.
I hope not. Yeah.
I think वो अगली पिक्चर
He's
क्योंकि
also good at lip syncing. He does
Yeah.
good lip sync.
हाँ.
So also, I think he's firstly a YRF talent. He's going to do a YRF film only.
has
Yeah,
he signed to IRF?
I think
For-
he's
yeah, he is.
tied,
He's tied.
for
Both
a
of them
few
are.
films. Like
And after this,
Ranveer
of course,
was.
they would be, dude. Nobody's going to launch
Apparently
an actor
this
and then once you
was
become a
the-
star, you
हाँ.
go do it for other production house, nobody does that. They all do contracts.
And apparently this was Aditya Chopra's big project after Ranveer Singh. Ahan was the next big project.
Oh.
So
इतना time हो गया?
definitely, apparently he's aided on Railwaymen, the
Acha,
show,
okay.
the show with Madhavan
Oh,
and KK
nice,
Menon.
nice. Oh, I
So-
love that show. Very
yeah,
good.
correct.
Very
So
good.
he had aided on Rock On 2 as well.
Okay.
So he has done, मतलब उसको उसके पीछे उसके लॉन्च के पीछे बहुत ही स्ट्रेटेजी गई है
ऐसा
YRF
उसके
की.
साथ भी है by the way, Bobby Deol's son, which apparently I have heard is being launched by Dharma, and he's been
But
going
Dharma
on.
is launching with Nadania.
Bro,
So
कुछ भी हो
भाई
गया.
don't launch.
Yeah,
आप वो launch को
Bro,
failure कर दो.
Fuck,
Fail the
एक
launch.
second, what's the date today? 24th.
Yeah.
Dude, आज रात को सरजमी आ जाएगी शायद.
What is Sarzami?
क्या है?
So, dude, Sarzami is Ibrahim Ali Khan's second film, casting obviously Ibrahim Ali Khan and Kajol and Prithviraj Sukumaran. bro.
Kajol is the heroine.
Yeah, so Kajol and Prithviraj are
couple.
playing the couple, yes.
अच्छा.
And ये उनका बेटा है. थोड़ा ऐसा मिशन कश्मीर वाइब्स दे रही है मेरे को फिल्म.
Okay.
But the trailer is apparently not good.
Apparently you've seen it?
ब्रो पीपल
I have
आप
seen
लोग को
the
पता ही
buzz
नहीं
around it.
आप लोग को
हाँ,
पता
मुझे
ही नहीं
पता
है
भी नहीं
पिक्चर के
था।
बस 16 मिनट बाद रिलीज हो रही है.
मैंने बस मीम्स देखे हैं इब्राहिम अली खान
What
के कि एक
platform is
और
it
बेकार
releasing on?
मूवी कर रहा
Hotstar.
है.
ब्रो द फैक्ट दैट सैफ अली खान्स सन की पहली 2 पिक्चरें हैं, दोनों OTT रिलीज,
और दोनों ही नॉट ग्रेट.
मतलब दूसरी तो आई
दूसरी तो आई नहीं है अभी.
But
But
count my
OTT पे
word
जा
on
रही
it.
है. हाँ.
It's not going to be good.
Yeah, I don't know, dude. What the fuck, bro?
इब्राहिम के लिए थोड़ा सैड हो गया. I think Ibrahim was launched without much enough training.
It's okay. His daughter is successful.
Yes.
Who?
Isha.
Sara Ali Khan.
yeah.
Okay, if that's successful, then I'm
She's more successful than
I'm a
Ibrahim.
legend.
That's it, guys. Anything people should comment to engage?
Yeah,
comment
please.
section.
Yes, please say that Snail is right. इतना hype deserve नहीं करती.
Give us your, if you watched it till here, tell us.
Your review of Sayyara.
नहीं वो तो
वो तो
बताओ.
कर ही देंगे ना वो तो.
वो तो वैसे ही.
If you watched it till here, tell us how much you predict Dhurandhar will earn. Especially since Sayyara is such a big hit.
Oh, yeah.
What is your prediction as to Dhurandhar's box office earnings? We will love to know that in the
I
comments.
say 265.
265. I say 69. Okay.
200 CR तो ले जाएगी. 200 to 250.
I also think it'll be like
200 250 के अंदर आ जाए.
Man, it can go anywhere. I hope it earns more than Sayyara because I really love Ranveer as an actor and I want him to do really well. I think 350k. Let's see.
Yes, family films make more money in India. You realize that, right?
Natural.
Dhurandhar is
No,
not a
man.
family film.
No,
Yeah.
that's not all.
Dhurandhar will
no.
be a family film, bro.
Dude, Pathan Jawan.
Yeah, dude.
Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan is a family brand.
तो Ranveer.
Ranveer Singh also is a
नहीं,
family
but-
brand. यार.
Yeah,
शाहरुख
यार,
और
मैं-
रणवीर को कंपेयर कर रहे हो क्या है?
भाई
चलो,
डॉन
खत्म
3
करो,
डॉन
खत्म
3 में
करो।
वो रिप्लेस कर सकता
Dawn
है.
three, हाँ,
रिप्लेस नहीं कर रहा वो,
Replace ही
उसको
कर
मिल रहा है, वो प्रसाद मिल रहा है उसको कि
और
लो
शाहरुख
ले
को
लो
मिलाएगा।
तुम, उसने भगवान के चरणों से है, लो तुम खा लो. It's like
हाँ तो
that.
ठीक है भाई पर
It's
replace
not,
ही
he's
कर रहा
not
है.
replacing.
अरे Okay guys, before she throws mics at our heads, please subscribe to the channel if you watched it till here. Please share this video with people that you think जिनको ये content अच्छा लगेगा.
भाई बहुत लेट हो गया है. We've been recording for a very long time. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
why we're
yeah.
tired. Okay.
Yeah.
But ठीक है. तो please share this content with people that you think जिनको ये पसंद आएगा. Follow me on Instagram @Snehil. Follow Antriksh and his shows जो भी ये खुद plug करेगा.
That Filmy Game Show, Spender Vendor, Crickheads, the internet said so. Abbas?
Subscribe to my channel. I have a channel also where I have also reviewed Sayyara. You can watch that episode. It's my name, Abbas Momin, and I'm Abbas Momin88 on Insta and at Abbas Momin on Twitter or X.
Kirti, anything?
मेरे को जो सब्सक्राइब करने का सोच रहे थे वो मेरी तरफ से अंतरिक्ष को कर दो. We are a
Aw.
team.
Ah, dude.
That's
Nice.
so sweet.
Sayyara.
I think people just unsubscribed because of how cheesy वो Origin side was.
भाई अब सैयारा के बाद क्या ही एक्सपेक्ट करते हो ना भाई.
But thank you so much for tuning in, guys. See you again next week.
Bye bye.